Here's a startling fact. While most Americans trust childhood vaccines, a growing political divide is shaping how we view their safety and policies. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite widespread agreement on the benefits of vaccines, like MMR, partisan differences are deepening, and this could have serious implications for public health. Let's dive into the details. Recent surveys from the Pew Research Center reveal a fascinating paradox. Nearly 2/3 of U.S. adults believe childhood vaccines are effective in preventing serious illnesses. However, when it comes to vaccine safety and scheduling, confidence wavers. Only 53% feel these vaccines have undergone sufficient safety testing, and just 51% trust the vaccine schedules. And this is the part most people miss. These doubts are heavily concentrated among Republicans, who are nearly split on whether safety measures are reliable. For instance, while 63% of adults overall are confident in vaccine effectiveness, only 53% of Republicans feel the same about safety testing. The MMR vaccine, which protects against measles, mumps, and rubella, is a prime example. Both Democrats, 92%, and Republicans, 78%, agree its benefits outweigh the risks. Yet, Republican support has dropped from 91% in 2016, and more Republicans, 20%, than Democrats, 9%, now view its side effects as high risk. Is this shift a reflection of broader political trends, or something more? School vaccination requirements are another flashpoint. Republican support for MMR mandates has plummeted from 79% in 2019 to just 52% today. Overall public backing has also fallen, from 82% to 69%. Why the sudden drop? And what does this mean for herd immunity? When it comes to decision-making, Democrats, 85%, overwhelmingly believe medical scientists should lead childhood vaccine policies, while Republicans, 62%, are less convinced. Instead, 71% of Republicans think parents should have a major say, compared to 46% of Democrats. Who should really be in the driver's seat here? And how do we bridge this divide? Now, let's talk COVID-19 vaccines. Despite updated CDC guidelines, 59% of adults say they won't get the new shot, a number unchanged from 2024. Only 13% have already received it, and just 26% plan to. But here's the kicker. 44% of adults hadn't even heard about the CDC's changes, and among those who did, 63% say it didn't sway their decision. Is this a failure of communication, or a sign of deeper mistrust? Interestingly, the new guidelines have eroded trust in the Trump administration's vaccine recommendations, particularly among Democrats. While 57% of Democrats familiar with the changes say it reduces their confidence, only 20% of Republicans feel the same. Could this be a partisan reaction, or a legitimate concern about policy consistency? These findings, from surveys conducted in October 2025 with a margin of error of plus or minus 1.7 percentage points, highlight a complex landscape. Childhood vaccines remain widely trusted, but political affiliations are increasingly dictating perceptions of safety and policy. Meanwhile, COVID-19 vaccine hesitancy persists, even as guidelines evolve. What does this mean for the future of public health? And how can we foster unity in an increasingly divided landscape? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective.